This week's objects are examples of 20th century clothing irons that were not electrified and thus did not use steam power like the ones we are familiar with. You may be asking yourself, well then how could someone use one of these to smooth out their clothes in the same way? How would you even heat the thing up? It would require a hot stove and a lot more attention. At that time, if a person wanted to iron their clothing items, they would have to have 2 to 3 irons at a time at the ready and preheat one on a hot stove until it was hot and ready to use. Right before you would take off that first iron, you would put a second one on the stove to preheat. Because the one you are using will cool down and be ineffective rather quickly, you have to have another one at the ready. Luckily for housekeepers everywhere, the onset of electricity during the mid-20th century meant that irons and a slew of other household appliances became much easier to use.